Ever wondered why some digital marketers seem to have a magic touch when it comes to meta ads? Curious to know the secrets that can take your campaign from good to great? Well, today is your lucky day. Our journey begins with a simple yet powerful concept: understanding your audience. It's not enough to know who they are. You need to understand their needs, their pain points, and their aspirations. This requires a deep dive into your audience insights. Look at their demographics, interests, and behaviors. Then use this information to create a detailed customer persona. Next, focus on creating compelling ad copy. Just like in any form of communication, the first impression counts. Your headline should be catchy and immediately grab attention. But remember, it's not just about being flashy. Your ad copy should resonate with your audience's needs and wants. Use the information from your customer persona to craft a message that speaks directly to them. Thirdly, leverage the power of A/B testing. This is a powerful hack that allows you to test different elements of your ad to see what works best. You can test different headlines, images, or even calls to action. The key here is to only test one element at a time so you can accurately measure the impact of each change. Another essential hack is to optimize your bidding strategy. Meta ads offers different bidding options, and the right choice depends on your specific goals. If you're looking to increase brand awareness, cost per 1,000 impressions might be the best option. If, on the other hand, you're focused on conversions, cost per action could be more appropriate. Finally, don't underestimate the power of retargeting. This hack allows you to reach people who have already interacted with your brand. Use retargeting to remind them of your offer or to show them related products or services they might be interested in. To sum up, the best meta ads hacks for 2024 involve a deep understanding of your audience, crafting compelling ad copy, leveraging A/B testing, optimizing your bidding strategy, and using retargeting. Remember, the world of digital marketing is constantly evolving, and the key to success is staying ahead of the curve. These hacks are not one-time actions. They require continuous testing, analyzing, and tweaking. But with these hacks in your arsenal, you're well equipped to take your meta ads campaigns to the next level. So go ahead and use these hacks to unlock the full potential of your meta ads and watch as your campaigns outperform the competition. After all, in the world of digital marketing, the only constant is change, and the only limit is your imagination.